All right, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make a drawing out of parts. So, one thing that we're going to have to do is if we open up our master, we have all of these different parts, right? Let me save the treasure just like as different parts. These are all the walls for the treasure. And this was what the top of the treasure. Okay. So we're going to make a new drawing. And we're going to go custom sheet size. So our sheet size is going to be, when you print on a standard sheet of paper, a standard size sheet of paper is 8.5 by 11 inches, right? So that's what this is converted to millimeters. It's 279.4 to 215.9. So you just punch those in and then you press OK. Now what you want to do is press create model view, and then you want to bring in your master file. So you double click that. And then we got to be careful of what we want to do here. So a couple of things. Under scale, you want to make sure scale is set to 1:1. And then we will also want to select the body that we're working with here. So let's see. So for the first body, let's start with the cave front, right? Oh, we got to fix this again. Make sure the scale is on 1:1. And then you put it on the piece of paper. And you press OK. Okay, so now what we have is a 1:1 representation of our design. So now we're going to save this. And I like to make just like a new folder, and I'll call it drawings. And I'll call this cave front entrance or cave front wall, right? And then also, in order to print this, we're going to do save as, and we're going to create a PDF of the same thing. So now, if we go to our folder, we go to drawings, we have a PDF version of this drawing. So now we have a PDF that's 1:1 in scale. So the plan is we're going to print this out on like normal sheet of paper and then like glue that over cardboard, and then you could cut this out and we'll have exactly what we'll need for our design. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this, but I'm going to create a version of all of these just for like all the parts we need. So let's see. So if I go to edit feature, I could just create or switch the body that I want. So let's take this wall now. Boom. We'll have to change the view. So that looks good, right? And we'll drag it into position here. Make sure we're on 1:1. Press OK. And we don't want to save over this. We want to save as a new part. So we'll call this cave left wall. And then you want to do the same thing, right? You want to create a PDF of the same part. So we could print it out. Boom. Then we go and do the same thing. Select body, clear this out. Now we want the right wall. Okay, that's fine. Save as. Right wall. And then we need a PDF. And then ground. Change the view so we could make sure you could see what you're looking at. And then you save as. Uh, so this is our table. Make sure we're on 1-to-1. And then we also need, so this will be like the top view of our table. We'll also need the side view. So if you press auxiliary view, okay. So we'll also, this will be like the top view for our table, but we also need the side. So if we do projected view and then we click our drawing, oops. If we do projected view and then we click our drawing and go to the side, it'll give us a side view of what we want. So we'll do that on both sides. And this is pretty small, so we could probably fit another thing on here. So let's go to model view and go to master. Maybe we'll put the treasure on here too or something. All right, so we need 2 more of these, right? All right, so this is table. And we need PDF. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Oh yeah, I don't know why I called it PDF. All right, there we go. Well, actually, it's like table and table, table, and treasure. Get rid of those. Okay. Now go back. And what else do we need? Oh, we need our trap door. I almost forgot. So this wasn't on our master, so we're gonna have to grab a new part here. So I'll just delete this and go to model view, find your trapdoor file. Then make sure you're 1-to-1. Boom. Save the drawing. A little tedious, but that's how it works sometimes. Okay, so model view, let's bring our master back in. Double click. Make sure it's 1-to-1. Okay. So now we'll go back to select bodies. And let's see if this works. What if I can select all of these? Is that gonna work? All of like our cosmetic pieces. Or am I gonna have to do it one by one? Alright, I guess I'll have to do it one by one. So first I'll do top teeth. Wonder if this can all fit on one page here. What if I copy this? Do a couple copies. Save me some time. And then what if I... Okay, then this, I can go to bottom. Then I'll correct itself. Put these here. What's next? Probably the eyes next. Will be the biggest piece, right? And then we have the upper lip. This might all fit on one page. And then copy this, copy that. Nose. All right. Let's see if we could fit all this in one page now. Boom. Perfect. All right, save as new. And we'll do lion face. A lion or a dragon? I don't know. And I think that's it. Did we cover everything? So we got the front wall, the side walls. We have the front wall, the side walls, the ground. We have the whole lion face. We have the trapdoor, and we have the table, and we have the treasure. And I think that's it. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna send this to the regular 2D printer, not 3D printer. We're gonna print out all these PDFs on sheets, and then we're gonna glue them on cardboard and start cutting everything out. See you in the next part.